Hello and welcome. Craig here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, today wanting to tell you a little bit more about our latest arrival, this stunning Jaguar XF saloon. This particular model is now joining our Jaguar approved use stock and is in fact the sporty XFS model, powered here by a 3-litre V6 engine with 300 PS worth of power and finished here in this stunning Rosello Red Metallic colour. In terms of features, there's absolutely plenty for you to enjoy. In the front, convenience of automatic headlights with rain-sensitive wipers, and even stylish LED daytime running lights will keep you illuminated on the road day and night. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit from a 12-month warranty, roadside assistance, 165-point multi-point check and 7-day warranty, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side, these large chrome alloys will be further enhanced with these Jaguar red brake calipers, uplifting the overall sports appearance, as well as Jaguar badging around the sides, and this model has even been fitted with the optional sliding panoramic sunroof, which features a tilt and sliding option. Round the side, there is even keyless entry and start for the front doors and the rear ones, as well as privacy tinted windows for your passengers in the rear. Sticking with those passengers in the back, you will be happy to know they'll have plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers. The upholstery is finished in this two-tone cream and black interior and even offers independent air vents in the rear, heated seats for the passengers in the back, ISOFIX child anchor points and even rear cup holders. Moving towards the rear, stylish LED tail lights will give your Jaguar XF a distinctive design, and of course with this S model you even have got twin exhaust chrome pipes. Featuring a tow bar as well that's electrically folding away, the boot space once open features an absolutely cavernous space. Easily accommodating 3, maybe even 4 medium-sized suitcases, you can also create more space by folding the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split, as well as it's quite deep as you can see here. A quick glimpse inside the front of the cabin will also reveal a premium interior. Leather-wrapped steering wheel that is multifunctional, large infotainment screen, and the front seats offer additional side lumbar support for maximum comfort, all under the guise of this stunning panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar XF. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below and we'll be happy to answer it. Once in the driver's seat, there's plenty for you to enjoy and keep smiling about. Large infotainment screen will offer various screens so you can stay fully connected with your Jaguar XF, offering the likes of AM, FM and the DAB digital radio reception with easy to use Bluetooth telephony and audio music streaming. Also, satellite navigation, mapping and guidance will even offer 2D and 3D views to make sure you never get lost, and there is even live traffic updates. To help with parking, audible and visual sensors in the front and rear will be further complemented by a rear camera, which even offers a wide-angle view when pulling out of those difficult spots with a blind spot. Additionally, easy-to-use systems will even feature an upgraded web browser, allowing you to surf through using a Wi-Fi hotspot, and also the iDynamic system for the vehicle will allow you to optimize the feel of your Jaguar XF, prioritizing comfort, or if you prefer, a more dynamic option is available. As we move down the cabin, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system can also be operated via the physical buttons, and moving further down there is the keyless entry start, rotary dial, large cup holders for your features, as well as a large center armrest featuring USB connectors as well. The sunroof system is also easy to operate, featuring a tilt and sliding function as you can see here, letting in plenty of natural light. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar XFS model that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270-445-200 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we very much look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.